Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Beachwalk, one big mall in Kuta area. It's very famous. But if you want to come to this mall, you have to install your location on your mobile phone. We call Peduli Lindungi, so you can allow to come to this mall. If you want to know how the situation inside, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore one big mall in Kuta area we call Beachwalk. It's the biggest mall in Kuta area and very famous because this mall is very beautiful decoration and also very nice place to do some shopping. You see? It's very beautiful building, isn't it? And there is a lot of people there. Yeah, this is a beach walk. And then when you see the parking, there is a lot of people parking in this area because they go to this mall and also they go to the Kuta beach because exactly at the front of this mall is Kuta beach. Okay, now we try to go inside to this mall. And as I told you, if you want to go to this mall, I mean like all the mall in Bali, you must install an application we call Peduli Lindungi. It means like it will make sure you're already in vaccine, so you can allow to come to the mall. And also, the mall must be maximum 50% of capacity mall. Okay, now we check in. Vaccine certificate, and the staff in this mall just make sure if they are already in vaccine, so they can allow to come to this mall. And now I already inside the mall. You see the building. It's very beautiful, isn't it? Amazing building, it's very beautiful. And at the front of this mall, there is a lot of cafe. Okay, now we explore inside of this mall. Okay guys, enjoy the video until the end. So you will see how the beautiful this mall in Kuta Bali. And also in this mall, upstairs there is have some restaurant. Also in the afternoon, you can see the sunset from the top because at the front this mall is Kuta beach. Yeah, there is some people, I mean like it's not so quiet now. I'm really happy. And also on this video I will take you to the upstairs open rooftop to see how the beautiful outside there. Because from the top also you can see the Kuta beach. Okay guys, keep stay tuned until the end video. Okay guys, now we are go to the second floor and I will show you how to like the rooftop and some shop counter on second floor. Okay, now we are open rooftop from this mall. It's very beautiful, isn't it? And if you see the weather today, it's really beautiful day. It's very blue sky. And again, I want to say thank you very much for your support because you're already watching my video and subscribe my video. And my subscribe now is more than 1,000. I'm really thank you very much for that. And if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, you can share this video because I believe there is a lot of people missing this mall and Bali because I will always update the new situation in Bali during the pandemic corona. Okay, now we explore the counter shop in second floor. Okay guys, now we back to the first floor and explore from the other side on this mall. see, there is a lot more the bike parking here. Some people they go to this mall and some people go to the beach, Kuta Beach. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.